Hey guys, and welcome back. My name is Saif, and in this video, I'm gonna show you the main features of Constant Contact. Since Constant Contact is an all-in-one platform with multiple features, we will just scratch its features from the surface without going too deep. So let's get started. First, you need to create your account from here, or you can just log in your account in case you already have one. I will use Google to log in my account here and just wait for it to log in. Now this is how your Constant Contact will look like. So basically, whenever you start marketing for any service or any website you have, there are sequence of steps that is normally followed whenever you want to do so. So first of all, you need to create a contact list. Then you can use forms or landing pages so that you can get more users and more subscribers to be added to this contact list. And finally, you can also create a campaign for these contacts in this contact list. So this is what we will do in this tutorial. We will start by building our contact list from here, contacts, and we will choose to add contacts from here. You can create a new contact, type or paste contacts, or upload from file. Here, I will just create a new contact from scratch. And now you can add your contact here. Press on continue. Okay, this contact is already in my contact list. So I will press on add contact again, and I will choose create new contact, and I will enter a different one. For example, now let's continue. And here it will ask you in which list you would like to add it. And I will add it to new subscribers list, which I created before. However, you will find this blank if you are still new to Constant Contact. So you can just press on create list from here and you will create the list you want. So I will add this contact in new subscribers and press on save. I will have to check on this. I have permission to send email and press save. And perfect, you have added your contact. Now you need to make your own landing page so that you can get more subscribers to add them to this contact list, which is a new subscribers contact list. So let's go to marketing campaigns here and choose landing pages. And here we are. So let's press on create a landing page. Here you can choose whether you want to sign up landing page or custom landing page. Since I'm making this landing page to get more subscribers, to add them to my new subscribers contact list, I will choose sign up landing page. Now editing is really straightforward here. You can add any block or add any layout by just drag and drop like this, and it will be added. I will just remove this again or just press undo. So basically you can add a text, you can add an image, you can add a button, you can add anything. You can also add preset layouts here. You can also navigate to images to find the button that will allow you to upload images. You can also go to design to control the design of your landing page. So you can also edit the existing blocks from here by clicking on it. You will find a bar which will open here, so you can replace an image, you can control alignment, you can also delete it. You can also control fields by clicking on them, and you will find a navigation panel on the left. So you can, for example, this field, you can make it required, you can make it unrequired. You can also, let's choose it again. You can also delete it from here. And you can add more fields to your field, like phone number, for example. So it's up to you. Let's wait for it to load. And here it is. So this is basically how you can edit on your landing page. It's pretty simple and straightforward. Then once you are done, you can just click on preview. So if you are satisfied with the results, you can press on continue and go to the next step. Here in the next step, it will ask you to add edits on your thank you page. So once the user finish signing up your landing page, he will be redirected to this thank you page that you can edit the same way as you did to your landing page. Once you are done, press on continue, and then it will ask you about the list of emails that you want to add the users who will fill this form to. So let's choose, for example, new subscribers. So whenever a user or any new subscriber fill this form, he will be redirected to this list. So let's press continue now. And here, let's press continue again. This is the thank you page. Now here you can take a final look on your own landing page and to make sure that everything is the way you want. And once you are done, you can press on continue. And now let's press on activate. And voila, you have created your own landing page. So after making a landing page campaign, you may want to make also an email campaign. So now let's go to email to create this campaign. Here, it will show you this button, create an email. Now you have multiple options. You can create your email from scratch, or you can use HTML coding, or you can import PDF, or you can just select one of these templates. So let's say we want to use this template, for example. If we selected it like that, you can edit it the same way as you did to your own landing page. And once you are done, you can press on continue. And here it will ask you about the recipients that you want to send this email to. So once you select the recipients that you want to add, you can, of course, for example, create a new list for potential subscribers and choose them. So once you are done sending this email to them, you can also place in this text the link to the form or your landing page that you created before. And so they will access this form and they will fill it and they will be added to the new subscribers list. So once you are done, you can press on send now and you are all set. Now the final part of our tutorial today is automations. Automations is basically a delegation for constant contact to apply some sequence of steps once a specific action is triggered. So for example, if we pressed on create an automation path here, it will ask you many questions here. Either you want to create custom path, SMS, anniversary, and so on and so forth. Let's create a custom path here and let's choose subscribers for email, because my intention is to create an automation once people are added to my new subscribers list. So if we created this and pressed on next, here it will ask you about the details of the trigger. So I can just choose when subscribers for email, not to any list, just to specific list, which is new subscribers. This means that once subscribers are added to this list, the trigger will happen. And so some sequence of steps that I will decide will be also defined. These sequence of steps can be added here. So let's say you want to add an email, for example, you can drag and drop it here. So you can now send an email and you can edit this email by pressing on edit, and you will be able to edit the content of this mail. So once you send this welcome email to your new subscribers, you can, for example, wait for a specific time. Then you can send another email, another welcome email to them, and you can add as many steps as you want. And once you are done, here is the end button. So this is basically how it works. You make a trigger, and once this trigger occurs or happens, all these following steps will be done or will be applied. So this is basically how automation works, and these are the main features for constant contact in a brief. This brings us to the end of our tutorial today. If you liked this video, press on like, then subscribe to our channel for more valuable tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.